Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services. Hope all is well. Right, in this tutorial we are going to look at how to add AI onto our keyboard. So without much ado, let's get started. So this tutorial is basically for iPhone users. If you are Android user, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because our new video we are going to release will walk you through how to do that with Android. Alright, so you just launch your App Store, and right after launching your App Store, just go and search for type AI. Type AI. So this is it, the first one. So this is it. So it's an extension that will enable you to use AI on your keyboard. So you can just check through the pictures right here. So this is just a review from the app. Right after installation, you get the app here like this. What you are going to do is to just tap on the app. Okay, we are launching the app, so ask app now to track. Then you tap on get started. Alright, then you go to next, then you go to next, then you go to next. Alright, actually this app is paid, but you can use it for a free section. So you just tap here, and app would like to send you notification. So they said you must enable the app. Okay, so you just go to your settings and enable this too. So where is it? Keyboards. Alright, then I enable it. I give it full access. Alright, so here is it. So when I'm done, I just have to come back to the app. Okay, so now it's time to show you where you can locate it. So it's here, down here you can locate it. So you see this like a browser. So you press with the browser, then you will see the AI keyboard. Alright, so let's go to SMS. Let's go to SMS and check. So you see, right after tapping on the browser down there, you see we have the AI keyboard here. Alright, so what are we going to do? I want to send motivational quote to my friend. So let's do it this way. Okay, alright, so let's right, so here is it. This AI is used for many purposes. So you see we have tap to start. Alright, so you just tap there, and all what you have to do is to select the text. Okay, is to select everything that you want to ask AI. Then you see we have many purposes here, so I will quickly walk you through. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, so let me tap on ask AI. Immediately I tap on ask AI, you see AI will be generating. Okay, so we have, of course, here is motivational quote. You can send to your friend. The future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams. Alright, so you can just tap here. Okay, here to regenerate. Okay, so alright, so this is nice. Okay, this is nice. So then you tap on apply. Immediately you tap on apply, it will just come here. Then for this you can edit it. Okay, you can just remove something from there. Alright, so you can just delete some from there, then you send it perfectly. Alright, another way, yes, how make money online. Alright, so this is we are testing another section. So you let's select it like this again. Then we go to the grammar, check grammar. So we are checking the grammar and see whether everything is all right. So you see here the check grammar is adding the to. So how to make money? You just tap apply, then you can send it to the person. All right, so we can just select this, okay, and go to tone changer. So we have the professional. Okay, the professional will generate it. So effective strategies for generating income through online channels. So these things will just help you. Okay, will just help you even when you want to title a video or you want to do something important. So here there, let me show you some awesome ways to make money. Okay, this is friendly. So we have romantic. All right, so you say you have reached your daily limit. That is why I said this app is more or less free, but some are paid. So this is not about reaching your daily limit. You can just leave it for 2 hours time, and you can come back and have something done with it. Okay, have something done with it. With time, we will go into details and see how best we can get this app for free. But until then, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. My name is Ses Kampa, and I'm out.